right, Callies, I'm with the kids at Hurricane Harbor, and we are super excited because we've never been to Hurricane Harbor, so we're gonna check it out and bring you with us. Okay, so we are E9 Viper, so you gotta remember where you're parked. It's not a huge parking lot, but it's big. The parking is $35 for just the general parking, and you can re-enter. You can exit and re-enter, so save your ticket. And if you want to just like exit and get lunch, there's a Wendy's, a Chick-fil-A, an In-N-Out,
Wendy's,
and those are the three right there.
Yeah.
And so there's lots of options, and In-N-Out, and there's gluten-free options at all of them, but Wendy's only has the, I'm rambling now, but they only have the Frosties are gluten-free. So all good. All right, let's go down some water slides. Hurricane Harbor, here we come. And there's a shuttle, so that's good too. You can put your stroller right on the shuttle, which I really like. You don't have to collapse it, which is great for moms. And don't judge me that I still have a stroller and no babies. I've got camera gear and like towels and bags, so stroller for life. Yeah. So there's Magic Mountain. And we're headed over to Hurricane Harbor. Here we go. Hi, it's Alyssa from the future. Like I said before, this is our first visit to Hurricane Harbor. Hurricane Harbor just got like a huge update, and it has a whole story. I think it's something about like some pirates getting shipwrecked and then deciding to stay on this like tropical island. I'm really loving the themes and the vibe. It's like very aloha. There's like, you know, chill kind of tiki, what you'd expect it, kind of like a tiki bar music playing in the background. Just feels very tropical, very clean, lots of chairs. There's also these pools that are shallow, and this is great if you have little kids and you just want to sit while they play safely in the water. They have cabanas. I'm sure it's like there's a charge. And it looks like they also have these chairs, these single chairs. So I don't know what the price difference is, but again, it's like right next to the little pools for the kids. So it's perfect if you want to just chill and your kids can play right in front of you. Lots of play space for the little ones. My friend with me today has a little kindergartner, and she had so much fun in this area playing safely and shooting the cannons. And then the kids had a blast, the older kids running around and going on the water slides. It felt very safe. I told the kids, my rule for the older kids is just stay together. I don't want anyone alone in a water park, especially because like Raleigh, she has type 1 diabetes, so if she suddenly has a low blood sugar, I want to make sure she's with a friend so they can like come get me or help her. And the kids were super brave. They went on slides on this particular day they had never gone on before. This really fun high up white slide here. Raleigh was so proud that she went down it today.
Like when you come down, like it goes like
yeah. And then her and her friend like convinced me to go on the raft one, and I don't mind the slide itself. It's totally mellow, but I am really afraid of heights, so I did not care for the climb up. This is so high. I don't like this. Oh my God. But we did it and we had a lot of fun. And yeah, it was just like a perfect way to spend a day with our friends. So I'm so glad we did this. This kind of day is what summer's all about. If you guys have any questions, let me know. We had a lot of fun. The kids went on almost all of the slides, and I hung out with my friend and chilled. And yeah, what do you think, Raleigh? You went on that big drop for the first time, which is awesome. Yeah, very cool. Thanks for joining us, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you soon in SuperCaliLand. Bye!
Okay, so I did that big funnel. It was pretty fun. It just had that one drop, and then it like kind of swayed back and forth, but then it like slowed down. It actually isn't that scary from the other side. It's not as bad as it looks. It's not actually scary. If we turn around, maybe we'll see it. Okay. And I did one of those sides,
The black and
yeah.
red slide?
No, one of these slides. The other one Matthew did. I did the purple and blue one, and he did the other one. And he won.
I
It was
thought that
faster.
was red.
See, look.
They look like snakes.
And then, yeah. I did those ones too. And then I did the blue and the red ones. I did both of them, and Matthew only did the blue one. And there's that insane drop there. Then
Wait, where's the drop one? Is on the other side of those red.
Oh, yeah, it's right there.
Oh.
Wait, hold on. We're gonna be able to see the other side of this.
You think so?
Yeah, on the way. And then you guys can see how it is.
That's crazy. I don't
It's
like
not that bad, actually.
Okay.
It's not that bad. So it just sways back
think
and
it
forth.
looks scary. I really liked the tropical,
So I went on the purple.
I
and
liked
blue
the
one.
tropical island vibes, and all the music was like very like aloha tiki, like chill beach vibes.
Uh huh.
I am.
And I went on the
here for
blue and
that
the red
feeling.
and black ones.
I loved it.
The temple area is closed while we were here, but that's fine. Look at that insane drop. That's open.
Oh, did you go on
Look
that?
at. Do you see that? That's the drop. I was talking
Oh,
about.
that's the one where it drops.
It's
from
crazy.
underneath you? That is crazy.
That's crazy.
It's
I
like
watch
drop-
people do it. It's so scary.
It's like bombs away.
Shh. But
And
it's scary.
right on the edge.
It's
I
way
really
scarier.
don't like how it's just like
It's way
straight
scarier.
up drops with no
Yeah.
hill or anything.
Yeah, the red and blue ones kind of had some chafing, but it was still fun. And then
Maybe
also I went
wear,
on way
like,
more,
a
but there were
bodysuit.
no, but on like my feet.
The volcano.
And then there were
wasn't-
other ones on the other side which I did that were fun. And then
these ones
also
were cool. I went on the raft.
me and Matthew did the dark blue one there, and that
Yeah.
raft also.
Yeah, that was
And Matthew also tried the white one by himself.
Uh-huh.
So that's pretty cool.
Because you can do single or double tubes
Yeah.
on those. That's
Mhm.
cool. The volcano wasn't active today. It's supposed to mist and like have like stuff coming out of it, I think. But oh well, it was pretty fun. Thank you, Six Flags, for a fun day. It's fun summer. It's like full midsummer day. Awesome. Thanks, Deck. Now I have to drive.
Okay, eyes on the road.
Eyes on the road. Thank you.
Eyes on the road.
Okay. Now we're going to Chick-fil-A, which is awesome because Raleigh can eat there, we found out, which I did not know.
Wendy's still better.
Well,
Wendy's still better.
Doesn't have food for her though.
Wendy's still better.
So if you just want
Very
to pop
safe
out,
driving.
get some food. And,
This is a experienced veteran
yeah.
in driving right here. Eyes on the oh.
No, I've been
Nah,
driving
my bad,
since
my
I
bad,
was
my bad.
14.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
You've been driving for so long.
I know. So many years. We won't tell you how many.
About
It's good that I'm the editor. Because you would totally probably throw
About-
me under the bus.
like 35.
Yeah. That's what kids do. They throw you under the bus.
You're 50 years old.
No.
You're 45. Sorry. You can just edit that out. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording. We've been recording for 4 minutes.
Okay. 4?
4.
Oh my gosh. My poor
We can
phone.
just say,
Oh, maybe show them the Wendy's and the...
Alyssa is 25 years old.